Introduction to MEP Design, Enhancing the Built Environment. Good evening, everyone. I am thrilled to welcome you all to the first session of our MEP, Mechanical, Electrical, and Plumbing, Design course. My name is Mohammed Umair, and I'll be your instructor throughout this journey. Over the next few weeks, we will delve into the exciting and intricate world of MEP systems and how they play a pivotal role in shaping the modern built environment. Today, we'll start with a comprehensive introduction to MEP design, its significance, and the fundamental concepts that form the backbone of this discipline. So, whether you're an aspiring engineer, an architecture enthusiast, or simply curious about the mechanisms that make our buildings functional and comfortable, you're in the right place. Why MEP design matters. Imagine a world without the conveniences we often take for granted: air conditioning on sweltering summer days, well-lit spaces for productivity, and water readily available at the turn of a faucet. These are all outcomes of meticulously designed MEP systems that seamlessly integrate into our structures. MEP design isn't just about practicality, it's about enhancing the quality of life and optimizing energy usage while aligning with sustainability goals. In today's age, where climate change and resource conservation are paramount, the role of MEP engineers becomes even more critical. Our decisions in designing heating, cooling, lighting, ventilation, electrical, and plumbing systems have a direct impact on energy efficiency, indoor air quality, and overall environmental impact. The three pillars of MEP design. MEP design is a multidisciplinary field that rests upon three primary pillars. 1. Mechanical systems. These encompass heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, HVAC, systems. We'll explore how to create environments where occupants are comfortable and productive, while also considering energy efficiency and the utilization of renewable energy sources. 2. Electrical systems. Electrical systems go far beyond just ensuring lights are on. We'll uncover the intricacies of electrical distribution, lighting design, and power management, including topics such as smart building technologies and the integration of renewable energy. 3. Plumbing systems. Plumbing is about much more than pipes and faucets. We'll discuss water distribution, drainage, and fire protection systems, all of which are vital for safe and functional buildings. What to expect? Throughout this course, we'll cover a wide range of topics. Principles of load calculations, sustainability considerations, building codes, system layouts, the integration of technology in MEP systems, and how we can get help AI in MEP design, installations, and O&M. Hands-on projects and case studies will be an integral part of our learning process, allowing you to apply theoretical concepts to real-world scenarios. By the end of this course, you'll not only understand the fundamental concepts of MEP design but also appreciate its impact on the broader context of architecture, engineering, and the environment. So, get ready to explore the fascinating world of MEP design. I encourage you to actively participate, ask questions, and engage in discussions. Let's embark on this educational journey together.